How to blur video background in CapCut PC. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Then import the video you want to edit and drag it to the timeline. Make the video clip duplicate on the timeline. Now select the duplicate video layer. Then click Remove Background from the right side. Mark on Auto Removal. Background remove done. Now select the main video. Go to the Effects tab and search for Blur. Apply the blur effect to the main video. Adjust the blur intensity to your desired level. A higher intensity will create a more pronounced blur. That's it. You have successfully made blur video background in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.